Hey, I'm Ben Pearl. I'm a physician, and I have a family member that has an Epstein-Barr viral post-reaction that has been a medical mystery. And I wanted to talk to people that may be going through something like that, whether it be from Lyme disease or long COVID, anything that could produce what's called a dysautonomia. Basically, the body has a haywire reaction to a viral cycle. Now, the problem with these type of entities is that there is seldom a biomarker to match up to saying you have this particular disease. What does that mean? Well, for insurance companies, it means you're not going to get any advanced therapies for like immunoglobulin therapy and the like. What it also means, though, is that once you go through a number of tests, and in this case, there was a spinal tap that had a mishap, a leak, and that's very not so uncommon for young people, unfortunately, and it was quite a rigmarole at the emergency room. But the bottom line is that you can chase a lot of things testing that aren't going to necessarily change the course of what I call these dysautonomias, or a reaction that's just uncharacteristic to what most people typically experience with a virus. We're all made up differently. Our immune systems react differently. It can leave you with weakness, fatigue, muscle weakness, or worse. Some people are bedridden. Fortunately, in our case, that hasn't been the case. Our family members have been able to function and still remain enrolled in college. There have been stresses, though, psychological stresses, night terrors at times, nightmares relating to the procedures. There was one particular incident where there was an exclamation that there was metal in my back. So these things have not only physical but psychological ramifications. My advice to anybody going through this, family member or yourself, focus on what you can do. I'm not saying don't look for testing and solutions, but just understand that some of the focus with some physicians is going to be chasing the test, which isn't necessarily going to be the answer to your problem. It may just lead to a nebulous, by default, it's not this, I'm not sure what to do next, let me refer you somewhere else. In medical jargon, we sometimes refer to the term VOMIT, victim of medical image testing.